Elliott, thank you for navigating the Dreamforce traffic to get here in person at One Market. Let's start with Figma. What does the Adobe acquisition say or not say about the M&A market?
Sure. I think it says a couple of things. One, it talks about the power of the cloud and collaborative software model. For more than a decade now, Adobe had this kind of fixed chokehold on the entire design market, particularly in the enterprise. What we're seeing now, companies like Figma, companies like Canva, they're going the collaborative approach, really leveraging the cloud to say, the citizen developer and the citizen designer, that's really where the future of the design software market is. And I think Adobe saw, a little bit of a existential risk to their business model, their pricing model, and their relationship with users.
That risk has been well telegraphed by the street. These series of downgrades, they all mention one thing: competitive landscape. You mentioned the name Canva.
Yes.
Does this acquisition of Figma reinstate the Adobe case, make it more competitive against the likes of Canva, or do you think that that's still going to be playing out?
Yeah, I mean, we're going to see this play out over the next 2, 5, 10 years. But what I can say about Canva is last week, they had their big user conference where they debuted a bunch of new tools. And the Canva Visual Work Suite, that's really what everyone's excited about right now. It's a mix of collaborative word processing, great video editing tools that they didn't have before, and also a new workboard where it's all about collaboration, everything from the first idea of design all the way throughout, and then you can reverse engineer all of that into the collaborative word processor. So I'm really excited about where the product is going. Of course, I'm a Canva fan, but I'm also a fan of Figma, and I think the design space overall has a lot of room.
Are you a fan
of
Adobe? That's the one name you didn't mention there.
Look, I think the most interesting thing about both Figma and Canva is they've got an awesome relationship with their user base and their end customer. I think Adobe didn't necessarily do the same way of evangelizing themselves with the community. So it'll be interesting to see, how do you take a bottoms-up freemium community in Figma or Canva, and then in Adobe's case, how do you blend the two? Yeah. Where, typically they had it installed on your computer. It was a big annual license, a bit pricey, and then match that with folks that are used to a freemium and then a paid tier as they want to get more out of the platform.
Elliott, I wonder, I want to take you in two directions, if I might. First of all, I'm hearing a lot of chatter questions about whether this Adobe Figma acquisition is even going to go through because of the Biden administration's kind of muscular antitrust stance. And is that good for Canva or not? Because on the one hand, you might think, oh, well, Canva is, a smaller design player. You don't want Adobe getting too big. But on the other, boy, it sure helps their valuation if there's a sense that M&A can happen in this market. Do you think this deal should go through?
Yeah, I think the current regulatory environment and antitrust is obviously something we're all going to watch play out as this deal tries to complete into next year. But I think for Canva, they've just got to run their own race. Like I said before, great user base, a bunch of really power users and influencers that love Canva and where it's going. And when I think about, some of the greatest M&A cases over the last decade, particularly in cloud software, not all of them have worked out. It's going to be a big question mark around, can you take this freemium model and then put it with this kind of annual forced licensing pricing model? So I think for Canva, they're going to run their own race. Melanie, Cliff, and the team are really focused on the future, and they're customer obsessed. And that's the same type of thing that brought success to Figma. So I'm going to see them both play it out over the next year or two.